Yo ebusia high the fabulous zone ya samba biom. Ye oye ni aba bi wa ha. Na ansa ye be introduce no. Nsem bi ekoso Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. Ye ne nchitwe nkomo bisa ne opinion about the new board any one or two things. If say ye bisa ne sesi ana on so adwea ana say ne opinion about it no de man. Nidi elde Adwoa Kotoko. Adwoa.
Thank you.
Na me no din komo okay about the new board. Ye na otumfo I establish ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. The new board na aba no who omo say.
Oh yeah. Board na band yeah. At least with all that is going on, so na aba no on bet na say that they will put everything in place na be bia yeah. Nti board they me dem for so pa. Yes board na aba.
Anti what expectations about the board no anything. Then I will share anka say omutimi tackle first immediately.
Management say Kotoko so be kon enim. Say be call let's say champions you know akobo na yedinkunidi aba. One thing about Kotoko so ye stadium here pitching na man sensem. I hope say at the end of the day no ombehwe na nema we nyina ye ye.
Okay, ye ni Adwoa Kotoko na ye ne twem komo no. Ye bisa no about Kumasi Asante Kotoko na say Ghana Premier League no omo cancel GFD decision by say omuntimi entoa so. It e pese ye bisa no decision and omo cancel ye no omo say Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye na ye represent Ghana wo Champions League and the other team Ash Golden so represent omo Confederation Cup. Adwoa hu ne say Kotoko ye nyintum say ye nkobo sa akensi Champions League no.
Yo ho crowd da. Ya je atumpa.
For some time the players some more ball.
But the mom boy, but I know say having heard say you be called champions we know. All the measures they'll put across say training and no on best start here and I know say you koswa you be do baby. Last time you ko baby you do you know. You be call you nima sensa. Na edin kunindi so aba. Nti me nim say even though say yem ball no kra. They say I ati we no exercise nya be bia aye be kono. Me nim say on be na ye ko.
Now say bibi kan about women's football. Di asem.
Women football I say I can say ni bebre mba nko stadium even mba nkasa abokra mema nyamna na eko nti pese me urge all women out there say football no sebi enye mema akensi nkwa mba so ka ho nti aya mba we should try and be part of it. It's football is disciplined enough nti women no ye ba on board it shapes us up. All the negative things say about say ni say no we should just forget about it. So more women should come and support and enter football. That's what I urge all my women to come on board.
Okay, I'm saying we know a very important topic partner we're raising now. Most man among stadium. I say Ghana na Jimmy be say ball bona for mema. And your babu on person be cambo but never show red yeah you can why it's too sweet. It is the whole Canada I agree with you 100%.
Make you look smart. And I was saying be so say women are sweet and our customer me look sweet. Women are sweet. Say my dress fine. Obi ehun ya oh come on. It is a stadium Ameko stadium me invite we be my brothers and my uncles be say umbesi umbedi me chi akọ. Nti oba bia mbra on board. The sports no enye crab hwe e wo Ghana.
Yeah that's it. The Fabulous Zone ni